Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. So in this box, I purchased a new set of window visors. I did get these off from Icon Motorsports. We got the fronts, and we got the rears. Bought these to replace these old Mugen style ones. Something wrong with them, but I did lose my driver's side about a year ago. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these old visors off and get all clean and prepped for the new ones. So let's go and get to it. Yeah, these double-sided tape are pretty crusty. Alright, just like that, the visors are installed. I think these look a lot nicer than the Mugen ones. Alright, so that'll do it for FV6 Snow. The brakes will be going on this week, so stay tuned for that video. I do have another box over here. This is actually for Project Saivic. The blower motor resistor went out. The fan speeds are not working properly. When you adjust the fan speeds, 1 and 2 are dead, so there's no air coming out. But if you switch to 3, that's when you get the AC. That's when you get the air at least. 3 and 4 works, but 1 and 2 does not work. This is located in the glove box, and it's just a clip and 2 screws holding it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this replaced, and hopefully this fixes the issue, because California heat is a killer and summer is just right around the corner. So as you can see, the blower motor resistor is right here. Unclip that, unscrew these, and pop the new one right back in. There it is. Pretty shot. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get this new one back in. Plug the clip back in. All right, let's see if that fixed the issue. So turn to 1. So it looks like it did fix the issue. Yeah, we got air coming through when we changed to 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. If you guys' fan speeds aren't working properly like how mine is right here, definitely check out the blower motor resistor. Alright, so let me know if any of you would like these visors. Post a comment down below or just give me a DM. I'm probably gonna be tossing these for in a week or 2. Pick up in sack, let me know, or else they go in the trash. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. It will definitely help me out a lot. But yeah, until then guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.